Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn how to send SMS receipts using the Keepsales web app. Click on the new sale, then select a product or products to record sales. Then you click on Sell with SMS receipt. Enter the phone number of your customer. Make sure to use the international format. For example, if you are in Ghana, it's a +233, Nigeria is a +234, and then the rest of the numbers. If you want to send to multiple numbers, you separate the numbers with a comma. Then, when you are done, you click on Record Sale and Send Receipt. If you want to verify whether the messages went through, you click on the main menu, then you click on Bulk SMS Messaging, then you click on Messages History, and then you'll be able to view the SMS receipt and then the numbers they were sent to. Now take note, if you are out of airtime, you click to top up. You top up airtime and then you go over the process of selling all over again. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.